Hello everyone, this is Kaushal again here. So this is day 2 and this is my template 2. Hopefully you like this template. So we do SEO for our clients and we have started using Nimbus to actually write blog posts for the websites. So since we are using Nimbus for all our blog content, I will explain the reason why. There is no rank map plugin as such on the Nimbus to actually ensure that all the checklists are met. So we have created a checklist for ourselves, and I ensure that my team, whoever writes article, that all the checklists are met while we are writing the article. The idea is, so we have created a checklist. Like whenever we write an article, I'm sure everyone knows we focus on a keyword. So we mention the focus keyword, we enter all the LSI keywords, we write the title and all the things that are there, all these prompts, like it all happen. These are similar prompts that you get in RankMath, Yoast SEO and all that stuff. So we ensure that once an article, whichever we write, has all this checklist in place, like it's checked or not. Okay, we ensure meta description and all that stuff is all put here. We we ensure that the URL slug, the blog post content has internal links, outer external links, it has table of contents, it has feature of image. We also check whether the article that we write passes Grammarly, it passes Copyscape, it's plagiarism free. Yeah, Grammarly has it, but Copyscape is better, so we use Copyscape as well. And below that we write my staff or my team will be writing the title of the blog post. The Nimbus allows you to actually embed SoundCloud and all those stuff as well. So in case you have audios and all, you can actually embed it over here. You can typically write your blog article, whichever is there. You can embed images which are there. You can embed images. You can actually embed YouTube video as well. You can have your about author and you can add a link as well. So since if you're working in a digital marketing agency and you have a sort of an approval system as well, where you require client to actually approve the blog post that we write, we feel this sort of a template when shared with the client, probably with your own C names if you have purchased Nimbus code, will help you get more and show that you are more professional and get you more clients hopefully. So this is how we do it. Okay, so we have whenever the article is written, we share a link with a public link with our C name, and we show that the client understands, like we are taking a lot of pains in writing the content and ensuring that it is optimized for the blog post. So yes, this is an awesome checklist for awesome blog post, and hope you like it and approve it. Or okay, thank you.